A happy Monday from us in the National Weather Service Chicago office located in Romeoville. It is around 6 a.m. on Monday morning. Thank you for joining us for this multimedia weather briefing on the latest snow event set to impact the area Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning. A winter storm watch is in effect from noon Tuesday through noon Wednesday for the blue shaded area shown in this map. It also includes adjacent areas of central Illinois and northern and central Indiana. This is where we expect 5 to 9 inches of snow, at least that is becoming more probable, and we're also expecting blowing snow to develop as Tuesday night progresses into Wednesday morning. The impacts. Area-wide, we're expecting accumulating snowfall. That includes the Rockford and Chicago metro areas. That snow will begin as Tuesday afternoon progresses and be at its peak intensity Tuesday night. This snow could be heavy at times, namely south of Interstate 80 in that winter storm watch area. This will create low visibility and snow-covered and at times slick roads. Blowing and drifting snow is also expected to be a problem again as Tuesday night progresses into Wednesday morning, area-wide, especially in those open rural areas that are susceptible to blowing and drifting snow. Here's a look at a simulation from a computer model that we believe has a good handle on the evolution of the atmosphere. It is important to remember when we look at these simulations, these are not exactly how things will evolve, but this is expected to be, in general, what is forecast to happen across the area. So looking at about midday Tuesday, we're expecting snow to be developing across western and central Illinois and gradually spreading northeastward. By early Tuesday evening, including the commute time, we expect snow to be occurring area-wide, and in these darker blue shaded areas are where we expect the potential for heavier snow, including snow bands that could produce heavy rates throughout Tuesday night. Again, that's primarily in the winter storm watch area. As the low pressure system tracks up the Ohio River Valley, moderate to at times heavy snowfall will continue across the winter storm watch area and light to moderate snow across the remainder of the area. Notice these black lines, which we call isobars, are becoming closer to each other, more tightly packed, and with that we expect strengthening northeast to north winds, which will lead to blowing and drifting snow, again, especially in the open and rural areas. As the storm system pulls away on Wednesday morning, notice the snow intensity tapers rather quickly across the area. However, we still expect impacts from blowing and drifting snow as those isobars are still tightly packed. And again, with the accumulating snow throughout the entire night, Tuesday night, it's likely there'll still be travel impacts into Wednesday morning. So for storm total snowfall forecast by Wednesday morning, 5 to 9 inches across the watch area. Further north amounts 2 to 6 inches, with the lower end amounts toward the Wisconsin state line north of Interstate 88, and the amounts of 3 to 6 inches as you approach Interstate 80, and then again 5 to 9 inches south of there across the winter storm watch area. So to recap, snow will spread north Tuesday afternoon, reaching the Rockford and Chicago metro areas before or during the beginning of the late afternoon commute. Snow will be at its peak intensity Tuesday night. This is where we expect the greatest accumulations to occur. Areas of blowing snow will develop as winds increase Tuesday night and persist through Wednesday morning, even after the snowfall dissipates. Total snowfall forecast 5 to 9 inches in that watch area, tapering on northward. A winter storm watch is in effect for those areas with the greatest snowfall accumulations and where we also expect the blowing snow to be at its most significant. Here are some reminders on safety, including road condition websites in Illinois and Indiana. Again, it is Monday morning. We appreciate you joining us for this multimedia weather briefing. Forecast information and headline information could change here as we progress through the afternoon today and into Wednesday night. So be sure to check back to our website, weather.gov/Chicago, as well as our social media pages on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube for the latest information on this developing winter weather situation.